Yes, we are already finished. All the family, both side of Sir side. We are finished already to make our picnic. Okay, so everybody, it's finished. And everybody go home. Okay. Look, all this plantation, all this orange, it's very nice. So, all the family, you can come here to spend, especially now it's already summer. You can come. Even overnight, you can stay here. All the night swimming, kumbaga. Okay. Wala nang mga tanim, wala na mga harvest na yata ang mga prutas. All the prutas is finished. Harvest time na. Okay. And now we see bye-bye na. And we keep na the mga ano. It's okay, Sarah. It's not going inside yata. No, it's not. Just stay here. Just stay. It's okay. Oh. Yeah. Look. Oh, everybody they prepared already. Okay. So say goodbye, 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 goodbye. And thank you for the sponsor that they are invited also to me, to the whole family of Sir side. And si Sir is the first, is my fans. She's my first fans to make, except of Madam and Sisi, and all of them in my what's that. Okay, so it's the same here. So I'm just make to say bye-bye, that I can invite you. You can come here, especially this one is out of Baghdad na. I think this one is another farm, is another city of Iraq. Okay, you can search this one in the Google or in the advertisement of in the Baghdad or in the Iraq. Okay, so I say bye-bye and thank you so much. No, they can play here. There is another space here. Okay. So I'm just gonna say bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. And thank you so much. And happy weekend to all of us. And back to maybe start go to school na naman si Sisi. Another school na. Okay, say bye-bye. Init na may eyeglass para may picture na. Ay, sabi na ako doon sa labas para ganun. Okay, wala kayo sa ang lawak-lawak talaga niya. Enjoy ka talaga pag nag-swimming. Especially now is summer time already. Okay. And there is another side, and on that side there is ping pong for the play. Okay, bye bye. God bless us all.